Yeah, there you go. Little alien.
Cute little background.
Hey, alien.
I like monkey.
You're gonna put your coffee in the frame.
Yeah, I thought so.
I like monkey better.
Alright, welcome back to the Analogue Archive. I was wondering if we should check out Instax accessories, and maybe this is a part one of a few to come, because there's actually a lot. So today, we're going to crack open the official Fujifilm Instax bundle, 42 pieces in total. Now, just quick introduction, as you can see there's hands on the screen, are my two helpers who you would have heard at the very start of the video. Say hello, girls.
Hi.
Thank you, thank you. And today, they're going to be helping me crack this open, giving a bit of a hand, bit of an opinion on some of these things. But yeah, there's actually a fair bit in here. So like I said at the start, 42 pieces, that's quite a lot. And so you got things like, you know, the silicone photo clips, so we got the photo sleeves, a little album, a rotating frame, and some frame stickers. So you whack them on the photo and you customize your photo. So a fair bit to go through. As we crack this open, I just want to give you, the viewer, some little bit of information. What you can do is I will put in the description below links to timestamps throughout the video. So if there's one in particular you want to look at, for example, I will add a link to it when it's going to pop up. I'll even have a little title screen we'll throw that into to make it easier. And so if there's something you really want to see, you can click that, go watch that in particular. Alright, as you can see here, my helpers are helping me unpack this big box, and as you can see it's full of things. So there's the stickers, there's the photo sleeves, fantastic. I love that colour actually, it's nice. There you go. Thank you. Get out of here. Shoot. Get out of here. Pegs to hang up your photos, which are pretty cool. I don't mind those, they're kind of cool. And let's talk about the photo sleeves, right? These are kind of cool, right? They come in different colours. As you can see in the box, it comes with a purple, a teal, an orange, and some grey, which is nice. You get a couple of greys too, which is also a bonus. Alright, let's throw in a photo here. And as you can see, here's a lovely little self-portrait of me. Haha, that's nice. Can't see my face though. But it's a nice photo, I like that. And I quite like that look, I don't mind that. They're not a bad little thing. Silicone photo clips. Let's talk about those. It's as simple as just picking it up and giving it a pinch. And there we go. A bit like Pac-Man. Chew it up. Yump. And they just stand there like that. So they're not bad for something if you want to just whack them on your desk or put them up on a shelf or something. You have a particular photo you want to show off. I think that's a nice little addition. Quite like the colour too. Here's another one with the orange. And I matched it up with this nice black framed Instax photo we took not long ago actually. So I quite like that. Look, now we're coming up to one of the things that I actually didn't really like out of this box. And it's the rotating frame. Spoiler alert, there's a photo of me here, and I think it's the first time I've showed my face. My kids really want to put a photo of me in this frame. Here's me more in my natural habitat, with no shoes on, as usual. Moving on. And I'm going to show you why in a second. So, the good thing is I like about this thing actually is you can double up the photos, have double photos in there, which is nice, so you can turn it around, have something different. But it just never sat in the frame properly, and it would fall over like this. I just didn't like it. In fact, yeah, there we go. Helper number 1 gave it a thumbs down. It just, I don't know, it just didn't look nice. So, yeah. Anyway, let's talk about washi tape. Look, there's not much to say about washi tape here. It's washi tape. Comes in 2 different colours, this lovely coral, and there's also like a green teal type colour as well. Moving on. Frame stickers. Now, I really wanted to like these, right? But as you'll see in a moment, I didn't really like them. I'm about to show you why. So through here, before we get into it though, let's have a look at all the colours, right? So they do come in a range of different colours and patterns. And according to the box, there's about 20 of them, 20 different colours and patterns here. Now, I won't go into every single one because otherwise this would be a very long video, but we ended up deciding to go with the purple heart one because we thought that was a nice match up to the photo we had before. It matches the clip we had before. We thought that would be nice, right? So here's what I mean when I said I don't really like this, and I really wanted to like this, but I don't. So I'll peel it off and I'm going to show you right now, right? So to show you kind of what I mean is I actually just need to bring in the box here, and as you can see in the photo, there's complete coverage, right? Now, when I put the sticker on, I get this white bar, and I thought, oh, maybe I've just put it on bad, right? But let's flip it over, and I've actually got the coverage pretty much perfect, which means you're always going to have this white bar at the bottom in the frame, which is a shame, because I really wanted to like this, but I don't. So let's move on to the pegs. And I quite like the pegs. I thought they came in nice colours, so the colours still match all the same things that we were talking about before, like the pegs, the clips, and some of the washi tape. And this is partly why I have my helpers today. They're helping me simulate having a little line for us to hang up our photos. So thank you, helpers. And I quite like it. The grey pegs look nice with the against the twine and the against the black and white photos, and I quite like those, right? I think that's a nice little setup, right? So if you're into something like that, that's also cool. Let's talk about the mini photo album. I think it's quite nice. I like the colour, and to give you an idea of what it looks like, I'm going to get rid of the stock photo, and with a bit of magic just like that, I put some photos in. My kids thought it was really funny to have a photo of trolleys that I took a long time ago as the cover. But if you open it up, there's some photos I've put in the album. It's a pretty standard Instax album. You know, you can see your photos, you can stack them in side by side. Yeah, there's not much to say about it. It's a photo album, right? Which is nice because this day and age, you know, a lot of it's photos on your phone, so it's nice to get a bit of an old album back together again. And look, now we're at the end of the video, and I guess I want to give some last thoughts on this pack and this bundle, right? I think there's elements of it that I really like the silicone clips. The album's nice too. I really like the pegs and the twine. The stickers I didn't like because of that full coverage. It just didn't line up properly, and it irked me a little bit. So I know that sounds petty, but I didn't like it. But I do like everything else I just mentioned, right? The covers, they were great too. Now, is it worth the whole bundle? I think as a gift, if you know someone who's really into Instax stuff, it might be a nice gift for someone potentially. But if there's like things that you specifically want from that bundle, I think you'd be better off buying them individually, right? You'd be able to find coloured pegs on eBay or Amazon or your local shop, right? Or different albums. So if you don't want that pink colour, you want a different colour album, that might be the way to go too. And same with the silicone clips and the covers. So that's kind of my opinion on it. There's things I like about it, and there's some things I just don't like about it, right? So I would buy the things I like. But like I said, if you know someone who'd like it, it's a good gift. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you. That's amazing. And maybe subscribe if you want to see some more. Thanks for watching. Ciao.